Hey there, welcome again. And in this video, we'll talk about a PicoCTF problem. So in front of me, there is one problem called Heap 0. So this is the extension of Heap 1. So I already uploaded one video for the Heap 1 and explained how the buffer overflow is happening. So if you want to know how the buffer overflow is happening, then you can check to that video. I'll attach it in the description box as well as the top right corner. In the card section, you can check the top right corner of your screen to get the cards. I'll not go in the depth how it's working, but I'll show you the solution here that you can use to get the flag. So for more knowledge, you check the Heap 1 video. So let's get started, and I'll just show you how to solve the flag. Okay, so just download this to binary and the source file, and we'll get to that in the folder right here like this. So I'll just close this one. So clear the screen, and you have to just chmod this binary file. So chmod plus x and this file. Okay, now after you use that, after you press enter, this will be executable. So how do you know this is executable? It will be on green color. Okay, it may change according to your system. So we'll just run this one to verify how these things are going on. So if you just open it with mouse pad, you can see that for winning we don't want Biko in the like save var. Okay, so Biko is being processed in the save var. So if you just check here, Pico is our input. Input data is holding Pico and the save var is holding Biko. So here too, like this is our input. We don't have access to it, but we'll overflow this input to reach here. Now, according to the conditions, we don't need Biko here. Anything is fine, but we don't need Biko here. Okay, so like what we'll do, we'll just overflow with any random characters here so that it does not matches with Biko. Okay, so we'll just choose 2. We'll press a long character. Okay, now just press enter, then press 1 to check if it is overflowed. Yes, it's overflowed. So till now, from L it is overflowed, right? Till here the first variable took, and then the rest is overflowed. Okay, now what you can do, you can just use 4 and see you can win. Okay, so this was our local test. Now close these sections and just go here, launch the instance to get the flag. So that was the local binary file to test it with. So we already had a test, so we know how to get the flag, right? So now we'll just copy this section and we'll just open our terminal. We'll clear the screen. We'll paste it here and we'll use 2 because we want to write, and we want just random characters. Press enter, press 1 to check if it is overflowed. Yes, it is overflowed. Press 4 and yes, you got the flag, right? So I did not made this depth one, so you can check the depth video from the description below, right? So just copy here and this one you can just paste. So that's all. That's all for this video, and let's meet in the next video.